What's going on, guys? I had a really cool idea for a video today because a little while back, probably about a year ago, I did a video launching my car, my RSX Type S, and the car was naturally aspirated at the time. It was just whoa, what the heck? It was basically just bolt-ons, and I wanted to see how fast it was from 0 to 60. And I have this cool little app that actually tells me exactly how fast the car is 0 to 60 in real time. It takes a signal directly from the ECU at 100 hertz, so it's very, very accurate. And I can basically time myself, and if I put it in drag mode and see how fast my 0 to 60 time is, I can see what gear I'm in, how fast I'm going, and then I can basically get it ready. And then whenever I go, the car will start the timer, and whenever I hit 60 in the ECU, it stops the timer. So it's a very accurate way to see how fast your 0 to 60 time is. When I did it naturally aspirated, the car did 5.8 seconds 0 to 60, so pretty slow. There's a lot of faster cars out there, but now the car is supercharged. It's making 350 horsepower about, and I wanted to see how much faster it is. I have the same tire setup, same everything, so grip is going to be the limiting factor here, so I will try my best to do a good launch. I do have two-step on this car, and yeah, without any further ado, let's see what kind of times I can get. All right, and I just hit the start button. It says accelerate to begin, so as soon as I go past 0 miles per hour and start rolling, it's going to start recording the time. All right, first attempt. Okay, I don't know why, but it didn't work that time. Maybe I didn't go quite fast enough. I guess I didn't go 60 miles an hour. Okay, so since it didn't work that time, let's try again. That one felt pretty good. I was spinning a little bit there. I could have gone a little bit easier in first gear, I guess. Okay, and then I just click results here, and what the fuck? Okay, guys, I couldn't get the app to work, and it's now dark, and I basically just watched the footage and used my timer to see when I hit the top of second gear, which is 60 miles an hour, and this is what I got, 5.13 seconds. I'll do another run, and I'll put a real-time timer up on the screen, and I will also review the footage again to see what time I get. All right, guys, so this is how the two-step works. So basically, if I go to 4,000 RPMs, oh, I don't know why it's set to 5,000. That's kind of weird. I must have set it to 5,000 at some point. I don't remember doing it. If I press the foot down, my foot down a lot, it like does like big flames like this. It does like bigger pops, but I don't really do that because I kind of like feather it, so I kind of just give it like half throttle on the two-step. Let's see what we can get. I think the other ones were a lot better. It's also getting colder out. I want to try one more. It's really hard. I'm just spinning the whole time, but I'll review the footage right now, and I'll tell you guys what time about I got. Okay, so on the first run, it was actually faster, even though it felt slower. I got a 4.9 was the time I got. And on the second run, I got a 5.7. I think the main difference is because on the second run, I let off a little bit to let the tires grip up again, and then I got back on it in second gear. Whereas the first run, I just kind of like just gassed it through both gears and kind of lit the tires up. But the first run was faster at a 4.9. I'm gonna do one more and then a couple pulls because this car is too fun. That was a lot more fun. All the car alarms going through here. I guess not today. Oh my god, oh my, I can't see anything.